Hi, I'm Ryan and Sarah, and this is GP on the Jeep. We're on a scooter outside of Chiang Rai in Thailand. We're going for a ride today. Hopefully see some temples, some waterfalls, and it should be a good day. So let's go for a ride. Pavement, we're hitting pavement, Sarah. Pavement. So our first stop is Liberace's house. We're gonna visit him for, no, this is actually called the White Temple. And I would say it's more of an art project than an actual temple. I mean, it's crazy. It feels like the crazy house in Vietnam. It's just zany. Even the traffic cones are strange. But it's beautiful as well. Wow, look at this. This is creepy. Shall we go inside? Or he's too scared? Oh. That's the scariest bit of all.
I think I could outrun a bunch of these people. Okay.
So if the predator attacked right now, you think you'd be alright?
Just outrun other people, yeah.
So the original temple that was here was repaired by this artist. He basically took it over and put all his own money into it, spent a ton of money on it. He said that he believes that he'll be immortal because of it. But he also has opened up like schools and stuff. So he's trying to spread the teachings of Buddhists.
Hole you can throw your money into.
Oh, money hole?
Yeah.
Can we take money too? Some cash. This kid's too smart. Kid's like, I'm not throwing money in there. What is wrong with you? So this opened up to visitors in 1997, and it's 50 baht to get in. Actually, it's free for Thai locals. Wow, look at Captain America's head. What's up, Captain America? Inside the actual temple. Sorry? Deadpool's head! I love Deadpool! Deadpool can actually regenerate, so it doesn't really matter that his head got cut off. Such a weird mix of pop culture. Inside the main building, there's these murals on the wall, and I guess it represents like humanity and how crappy it is. Like they show the Twin Towers burning, and also like Pokemon and Doraemon, and Superman is there, all these heroes. It's just strange. Wow, that's a big boy. He's just chilling on the road. Scared?
Well, I'm scared if you go right next to it, yeah.
Let's drive over it.
It's long. You can't like...
It's huge. Man, look at this tree. Good job, tree. You've done well for yourself. Right now we're hiking to Khun Korn Waterfall. We're following this river down here, or stream I guess it would be. We're in a big national park. It's just, you can feel the air is different up here, a little bit higher up. It's a little wetter. It feels good. So we got about I think it's about 1.5 kilometers hike to get to the waterfall. But it's quite a pleasant walk. Just beautiful too, just look at that. a bowl of delicious soup, some crispy rice cracker things. We're just stopped for lunch, and I'm excited to eat. It's about 1 o'clock. I'm starving. Soup looks really good. We've eaten a lot of this soup in Thailand. Flavorful broth with some spice, some sweet. This one actually has little bits of shrimp in it. A noodle soup with pork and also some ground pork. Bean sprouts. It's really good. All right. Got a nice view of the lake, some giant fish swimming around. I think it's a good lunch. Successful. Green tea frappe. Hey, Sarah. What you got?
Green tea latte.
Green tea latte. We're at Choui Fong tea, which is a tea plantation. Pretty fancy, cool little tourist spot slash farm slash processing plant, I guess. And we were sitting having some green tea in the fields. It was really good. It was a long ride up here. It was about an hour and I would say hour 45, 2 hours maybe. But we saw some nice back roads, beautiful hills up here. This area has great conditions for growing tea or coffee. The elevation is high enough and the weather is hot enough, but also cool enough at the same time.
Just making that up.
But I know about stuff. Jeez, the bike sounds sick. Not in a cool way, like I just got my exhaust pimped out and it sounds sick.